guys, I'm Jordan. I just want to remind you guys of our Try 5 and Share 5 challenge. If this is your first time, you should come 5 times. And if you've been coming for a while, share 5 times. And then follow us on social media at LifePointHS on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Then text 919-751-4377 with the code HS. And we're not having Rewind this year. Instead, we're having the big summer kickoff on June 4th. So be sure to invite all your friends. On May 21st, we're having the outdoor movie night. This is the second fundraiser for the mission trip this summer. It's going to be at normal youth time at 6:30 and we're playing Toy Story. Make sure to bring all your friends and family. I'm Jordan, and we're going to start 919-751-437. Friends starting this week. Is that gross? I'm horrible. The second fundraiser for Oh no! Did I forget something?
Toy Story.
Dang it!
Woo!